the 2018 Audi A7. Audi prioritized comfort and style by including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, power front seats, a headlight cleaning system, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and remote keyless entry. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.